I'm really sorry if you guys don't like feet, but that's not my problem. Oh, my family is coming home. Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different here. So the other day, I went to the dollar store and I found this. So it is a crafting, do-it-yourself, create your own decor, makes one like cardboard deer thingy here. I'm supposed to be able to make this with this. So I'm a little skeptical considering it's from the dollar store, but I've had good experience with dollar store crafts in like the past, so I wanted to try this out and I thought it would be fun to film me trying to put this deer together. And now that I have my new microphone, audio picks up even more easily, so we're gonna try to make a cardboard deer. Okay, so this is the angle that we're at now because we're gonna open this up, and you can see I'm on my phone. I'm on Snapchat right now. So let's pop this puppy open. Okay, so I opened it, and now I have all these little like pieces. They're like punched. They're kind of like printed out, and I think I have to. Oh, they're numbered on the back. Oh gosh. So I have to punch. These are the instructions. Let's see how this goes over. I just have to do the top part of the deer first, and then the bottom part of it. So I have to punch all the pieces out, and then put it all together. You know what? This is good stress relief. I just punch. So I think what I have to do is take like the body pieces and like put them like that, and then put the pieces in between, like on the slits. So in theory it sounds simple, and I don't know how this is gonna go over. These look like dogs to me, so I'm really curious to see if this will turn out like how the picture looks like, but we're gonna find out. Here goes nothing. At first I thought it was a little bit like unstable, but it's actually pretty good so far, and it's really easy to do, and I'm really happy. So it worked. Why does it? Okay, but okay, we had to do a stand test now. It stood up. Okay, excuse the mess over here, but like this is quality room decor. Look at this masterpiece. I was not expecting this outcome. This deer. This is really cute actually, and I'm gonna keep it in my room, and it'll make great room decor, and like I could even paint this if I wanted to make it look super bougie. If I made it like gold, it would look so like something that you would get off at like Indigo or like Urban Outfitters or something, but it's so cute and I love it. So thank you for watching this video. If you stuck to the end, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed me testing out this dollar store craft. If you want to give it a go, be sure you check out your local dollar store. And I got this at Dollarama. I don't know if they have Dollarama in the US, but that was like the main dollar store that we have here in Canada. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say besides thank you again for watching me create this deer, and I will see you next time for another video. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss other videos like this, and let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do more trying craft kits from the dollar store, because I think it'd be a fun little thing to do. I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!